Welcome, dear students. Myself, Anuja ma'am, welcomes you to the second lecture of digital techniques. We have started with the first chapter, number systems. We have seen there are four types of number systems: decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Let us revise all these four types. The decimal number is a number which has base as 10 or radix as 10. Base or radix is nothing but the numbers or the symbols or the digits which are included in that particular number system. So hence the base of the decimal number system is 10, since it consists of 10 symbols from 0 to 9, that is the 10 digits from 0 to 9. For example, I have given here 1, 2, 3, 4 to the base 10, or 368.92 to the base 10, or 12.89 to the base 10. So all these are the decimal numbers, which includes real as well as the fractional point. Now, second type is binary. The base is 2. That means what? It includes two digits or two symbols, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So for example, we can see here the numbers are 101011 to the base 2, 101.1100 to the base 2, 1100.101110 to the base 2. So these are some examples I have given here to the base 2. We just need to see the base and we will come to know which type of number system it is. Here the base is 2, so the binary number system. Come to the next, that is octal. Octal numbers base is 8. That means you must have understood now that since the base is 8, that means it includes 8 symbols, that is from 0 to 7. That means the digits from 0 to 7 will include in this number. So any number when we check, we will check its base and we will check that number. It should contain the numbers or the digits from 0 to 7 only. It should not exceed 7. That means 8, 9. These numbers should not include in the octal numbers. So 6523, 72.35, 135.6702 to the base 8. All these are the examples of the octal number systems. The next is hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal numbers base is 16. It includes 16 symbols or 16 numbers, that is from 0 to 15. But we don't write it as 0 to 15. What we write it as 0 to 9 and A to F. So examples can be, I have written here the examples as 35A9, 62983 to the base 16, A305.2B to the base 16. So these are the some examples of hexadecimal number systems. Now secondly, what you should remember is what is a bit, what is a nibble, what is byte, what is word, and what is double word. What is a bit? Bit is nothing but a binary digit, that is a single binary digit. It can be 0 or 1. Nibble is nothing but group of 4 bits. For example, nibble can be written as 1101. This is one example. So it includes what? 4 bits. Byte, one byte is nothing but group of 8 bits. So group of 8 bits is known as 1 byte. For example, I have written here 4110011101, that is 8 bits. So 8 bits, this is nothing but a 1 byte. This is 1 byte data, you can say. Word. What is a word? Word is nothing but group of 16 bits. That is, for example, I have written here 16 bits. Then double word is group of 32 bits. I have written here 32 bits. So this is nothing but what you should remember for the data. That is bit, nibble, byte, word, double word. This you should remember always. This can be asked in the orals. This can be asked in any viva, or you can say any aptitude also. Now we will see how to convert a particular decimal number into binary. We will see the chart first and then the stepwise procedure how to convert the decimal number to binary. But here we know that the decimal numbers 0 to 15 can be written in this format of binary, and hexadecimal numbers are written in this way. 0 to 9 numbers of the decimal are exactly same as hexadecimal 0 to 9. But when we come to the 10, then 10 is indicated as A, 11 is indicated as B, 12 is indicated as C, and so on up to 15 is indicated as F in the hexadecimal. Now come to this very important point, that is to the binary. Now when we write the decimal numbers from 0 to 15 in the binary numbers, we use 8421 code. This is a coding system. See, you can see here the 8421, the total comes as 15. 8 plus 4 is 12 and plus 3, that is 15. So total 15. And we are writing here the numbers from 0 to 15 only. Now what we will do is, when I want to write decimal 0 in the binary, take the addition of this all numbers, that is 8, 4, 2, 1 must come as 0. How it will come as 0? These are the weights. These are the weights. Now instead of these weights, I have to put 0 or 1. Now what I'll put here, for 8 I'll put 0, for 4 I'll put 0, 3 I'll put 0, and 1 also I'll put 0, so that my addition comes as 0. Now see, for the second one, you will come to know. Now for the 1, if I want to write decimal 1 in the binary and in the 4-bit binary, this is what 4 bits, see 0, 0, 0, 0. So these are 4 bits. So I am writing all the numbers from 0 to 15 in the 4 bits form of binary. So 0, 0, 0, 0, when I am writing 0, 0, 0, 0, this is nothing but a binary number, that is a 4-bit binary number of the decimal 0. To write down 1 in the binary, what I'll do is, see how I'll get the addition as 1, when I will put 1 here for 1 and for rest I'll put 0, then my addition becomes 1. Because for 2, 4 and 8 it should be 0 to get the total as 1. So I'll write here 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Next is 2. Suppose I want to write down now 2. कैसे लिखेंगे हम? हमारा जो एडिशन है यहाँ पर वो 2 आना चाहिए. अगर मुझे एडिशन इनका 2 चाहिए तो मुझे 8 के जगह पे 0 रखना होगा, 4 के जगह पे 0 रखना होगा, 1 के जगह पे 0 रखना होगा और 2 को मुझे प्रेजेंट रखना होगा. दैट मीन्स आई नीड टू कीप इट. ओके, सो 2 के जगह पे मुझे 1 लिखना पड़ेगा. सो 0, 0, 1, 0, इसका एडिशन अगर मैंने किया तो क्या होगा? 15. वैसे अगर मुझे 3 करना है तो मुझे टोटल 3 आना चाहिए, तो 2 और 1 3 हो जाते हैं. So the addition of 2 and 1 becomes 3. So instead of at the position of 8 and 4, what I need to write here is 0, 0. So I'll put here 0, 0 and then 2 के जगह पे मुझे 1 लिखना होगा और 1 के जगह पे भी मुझे 1 लिखना होगा, क्योंकि मुझे 2 भी चाहिए और 1 भी चाहिए. लेकिन मुझे 8 और 4 नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे एडिशन कितनी चाहिए? 3. सो अगर मुझे एडिशन 3 चाहिए तो मुझे 2 और 1 की ज़रूरत है, इसलिए मैं उनके जगह पे 1, 1 लिखूंगी. और 8 और 4 मुझे नहीं चाहिए, सो आई विल राइट हियर 0, 0. दिस इज़ अ सिंपल वे टू रिमेंबर एंड टू राइट. ओके. देन 4. अगर मुझे एडिशन 4 चाहिए तो देखो, अगर मुझे एडिशन 4 चाहिए तो मुझे 8, 2 और 1 नहीं चाहिए, यानी कि मुझे सिर्फ 4 चाहिए, तो मैं उसी के लिए 1 लिखूंगी और 8, 2, 1 के जगह पे मैं 0, 0 लिखूंगी. सो माय बाइनरी नंबर बिकम्स 0, 1, 0, 0. अगर मुझे 5 चाहिए तो मुझे कौन से नंबर्स चाहिए? 4 और 1. सी द एडिशन, 4 और 1 की एडिशन क्या हो जाती है? 5. सो 8 और 2 मुझे नहीं चाहिए. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो मैं उसके जगह पे 0, 0 लिखूंगी. सो आई विल पुट हियर 0, 0 in the position of 8 and 2, and I'll write 1, 1 for the positions 4 and 1. So I have written here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. अगर मुझे एडिशन 4 चाहिए तो मैं 0, 1, 0, 0. अगर 6 करना है तो देखो, मुझे 4 + 2 बिकम 6. सो मुझे 4 और 2 की पोजीशन पे 1, 1 लिखना होगा और 8 और 1 की पोजीशन पे 0 लिखना होगा. सो व्हाट विल बी माय बाइनरी नंबर? 0, 1, 1, 0. सेम थिंग फॉर 7. 4 + 2 + 1 इज 7. सो मुझे 4 भी चाहिए, 2 भी चाहिए और 1 भी चाहिए. and I don't want 8. So what I'll put in the position of 8, I will put 0, and in the position of 4, 2 and 1, I will put 1, 1, 1. That means this 1, 1, 1, you can say that it shows the presence of these numbers, so that we can add and we can get the number which we want. So now if I want 8 डेसिमल नंबर है और उसका मुझे बाइनरी नंबर चाहिए, उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगी कि इसका जो एडिशन है 8421 का एडिशन मुझे 8 चाहिए. अगर मैं यहाँ पर 0 0 0 रखती हूँ तो ही इसका आंसर क्या होगा 8. इसलिए मैं 8 की पोजीशन पे 1 लिखूँगी और 4 2 और 1 की पोजीशन पे मैं 1 1 1 0 0 0 लिखूँगी. ओके, सो दैट विल बिकम 1000. सो दिस इज़ द बाइनरी नंबर फॉर 8. देन फॉर 9 मुझे क्या नंबर चाहिए, कौन से नंबर चाहिए, 8 और 1. सो व्हाट आई राइट हियर इज 8 और 1 के जगह पे मैं पोजीशन पे 1 1 लिखूंगी और 4 और 2 के जगह पे मैं 0 0 लिखूंगी. सो आई विल गेट द नंबर बाइनरी नंबर एज 1001. 10 के लिए देखो मैं हर नंबर बता रही हूँ सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी नंबर टू राइट डाउन इन बाइनरी. अभी 10 के लिए मुझे कौन से नंबर्स चाहिए, देखो यहाँ पर 8 और 2 नंबर मुझे चाहिए, यानी कि आई वांट द प्रेजेंट ऑफ दिस नंबर्स. अभी यहाँ पे मुझे 4 और 1 नहीं चाहिए. जो नहीं चाहिए उसके लिए मैं 0 0 लिखूँगी और जो चाहिए उसके लिए मैं लिखूँगी 1 1. सो सिंपल थिंग, अगर मुझे 10 चाहिए यानी कि मुझे 8 और 2 चाहिए तो इन पोजिशंस पे मैं 1 लिखूँगी. 8 और 2 की जगह पे मैंने 1 1 लिखा है और मुझे 4 और 1 नहीं चाहिए इसलिए मैंने 0 0 लिखा है. सो इट बिकम्स 1010. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट 10 इन द डेसिमल एंड ए इन द हेक्साडेसिमल. नाउ फॉर 11, अगर मुझे 11 चाहिए, मेरा एडिशन 11 कैसे आएगा, 8 + 2 10 + 1 11. मतलब मुझे 4 की पोजिशन पे 0 लिखना होगा क्योंकि मुझे 4 नहीं चाहिए. मुझे 8 2 और 1 चाहिए क्योंकि उनकी ही एडिशन 11 आती है. तो 1011, देखो 1011. उसके बाद 12 देखिए, 8 और 4 की एडिशन 12 आती है इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर 1 1 लिखा है और मुझे 2 और 1 नहीं चाहिए इसलिए वहाँ पे लिखा है 0 0. 13 के लिए मुझे 8 4 और 1 यानी कि 8 + 4 = 12 + 1 = 13 इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है 1 1 0 1. 14 के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए, 8 + 4 12 12 + 2 14 होते हैं तो मुझे ये तीनों चाहिए 1 1 1 और मुझे 1 नहीं चाहिए इसलिए यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है 0. 15 के लिए मुझे सभी चाहिए देखो क्योंकि सबकी एडिशन 15 आती है. 8 + 4 + 2 + 1 comes as 15. So every digit I want and so for every position I will write 1 1 1 1 and that becomes the binary number for 15. This is F in the hexadecimal number. So this chart is very important and this coding is very important to remember the 8421 coding, to remember the decimal to binary numbers. Every number is to be converted into binary. I think you must have understood this point very clearly. जो numbers मुझे चाहिए वो उसके लिए मुझे 1 लिखना है, जो नंबर्स मुझे नहीं चाहिए उसके लिए मुझे 1 लिखना है, 0 लिखना है और मेरी एडिशन हमेशा जो नंबर मुझे चाहिए उतनी आनी चाहिए. जैसे कि अगर मुझे 6 चाहिए तो मेरी एडिशन 6 आनी चाहिए. अगर 8421 कोडिंग है तो 4 और 2 की एडिशन 6 आती है यानी कि 4 और 2 के जगह पे मुझे 1 1 लिखना होगा और 8 और 1 मुझे नहीं चाहिए इसलिए मुझे 0 लिखना होगा. तो 0 1 1 0 ऐसे इसका 6 का आंसर आएगा, दैट इज़ 6 का बाइनरी नंबर आएगा. सो आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव क्लियर्ड अबाउट दिस पॉइंट विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अभी एक शॉर्टकट बताती हूँ कि इसे किस तरीके से हम शॉर्टकट ये तो साइंटिफिकली मतलब टेक्निकली क्या होता है ये मैंने बताया आपको. अगर आपको ये चार्ट याद रखना है तो आप यहाँ से याद रख सकते हैं कि देखो ये जो 4th पोजीशन है इसमें मैंने 8 0 लिखे हैं, 8 1 लिखे हैं. उसके बाद 4 0 4 1 4 0 4 1. उसके बाद 2 0 2 1 2 0 2 1 ऐसे किया है. उसके बाद 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. ये चार्ट आप ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हैं लेकिन 8421 कोडिंग से ही इसको याद रखना है. दिस इज़ जस्ट अ शॉर्टकट विच आई टोल्ड यू. ओके, सो नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज़ नंबर कन्वर्जन. Okay students, now we will see the number conversion. The first type of number conversion is we are converting from decimal to binary. Here decimal का जो base है वो क्या है 10 and we are converting it to base 2 that is binary. So हम base 10 की नंबर सिस्टम से बेस 2 की नंबर सिस्टम में जाने वाले हैं, यानी कि वी आर कन्वर्टिंग डेसिमल नंबर टू बाइनरी नंबर. नाउ हियर आई हैव टेकन वन एग्जांपल 255 टू द बेस 10. क्वेश्चन विल कम लाइक दिस. 255 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 2. Now here always this type of question comes that convert the following, and this type of question will be given to you. What is your first duty? Your first step is to check the base. जो नंबर सिस्टम्स दिए हैं उसका भी बेस चेक करना है और जो नंबर्स पूछा है उसका भी बेस चेक करना है. नाउ हियर द नंबर सिस्टम विच इज़ गिवन इज the base is 10. That means this is a decimal number system which is given, and what is asked is the base is 2, so it is asked binary number system. So we need to convert decimal number system to binary number system. अभी इसके लिए क्या करना है? स्टेप 1, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप इज, ये जो नंबर हमें दिया है दिस नंबर इज टू बी डिवाइडेड when we are converting the decimal number to the any number system. we should check its base. अभी मुझे जो पूछा है वो है 2, इसलिए मैं 255 को डिवाइड करूँगी 2 से. ओके, सो 255 डिवाइडेड बाय 255 ये डेसिमल नंबर है और जो पूछा है उसका बेस है 2, इसलिए मैंने उसको डिवाइड किया है 2 से. सो आई विल गो ऑन डिवाइडिंग this number by 2 and I will write down here the remainders. Now see here carefully, I have divided this 255 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4, remainder 1, then 15, 2 sevens are 14. So remainder, total remainder comes as 1. Again we will divide it by 2, the remainder will be 1. If I'll divide 63 by 2, then I will get 31, remainder 1. Then again go on dividing till you will get the last digit as 0. 2 ones are 2 and the remainder will becomes 2 zeros are 0, remainder becomes 1. So here I will write down the remainder so on this right hand side. Okay, and I will go on dividing till this 0 comes over here. And to write down this number in the binary, I will go from downward to upward. See, this arrow indicates how to write the number. So the answer comes as 255 to the base 10 is equal to the question mark. We have to fill this question mark, and this question mark is what? 1111 1111 to the base 2. So this answer will be written from downwards to upwards. So this is the answer which you have to write. Okay. The second example I have taken with the fraction 0.735 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 2. Previously in the example we have taken only the integer number. Here I have taken a fractional number so that you will get an idea how to do this. Now step 1, what we will do is, in the previous example we have seen that the number was divided by 2 because the base 2 was asked, that is the number system to the base 2 was asked, that is the binary number system was asked. So we divided that number by 2. Here also the 2 is asked, so we will multiply this number by 2. So these fractional numbers are always multiplied by the base which is asked. Okay, when we convert from decimal to binary or decimal to any number system. Here we are converting decimal to binary, so we are multiplying it by 2. So 0.735 into 2, it becomes 1.470. Now this 1.470, here this 1 is your real number. That number you will write down here, note down here to the right hand side. And take this fractional point again, that is 0.470. Multiply it again by 2 and write down the number, answer 0.940, and this 0 will be written here to the right hand side. Again this fractional number is taken 0.940. Again it is multiplied by 2 and we'll write down the answer 1.880. Now we'll again note down this 1 over here. Again the fractional number is taken. Now how many times we should multiply? We should multiply till the answer 0 comes, or else if we don't get answer 0, we should multiply it 3-4 times and then we should stop. It up to us. If I want to calculate it 4 times, I will calculate 4 times. If you want to calculate it 3 times, you can calculate 3 times, but at least 3 to 4 times you should calculate so that you will get the answer. Okay, and now the answer should be written from upwards to downwards. You should write down the answer from upwards to downwards. In the integer value, we have written the answer from downwards to upwards. Here we will write the answer from upwards to downwards. So what will be my answer? Answer will be 0.1011 to the base 2. Okay. Now example 3, I have taken the number with integer value, that is real and fractional part both. So let us see now for this 42.68 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 2. Such type of question can come in your paper. This question, this was for practice. The previous one also was for practice. Such type of question can come. This question comes for 1 or 2 marks, but that 2 marks are also very important and we should remember how to convert because that is very important. Real part, that is a 42, and the fractional part is 0.68. We should write it with the decimal point. So 0.68 becomes the fractional part. So we will write down these two parts separately. Then the next step is similar to the previous one, how we did with the 255. Similar to that, we will do for 42. So 42, since it is a real part, we will divide by 2 because the base which is asked is 2. So 42 will be divided by 2. Go on dividing by 2. Write down the remainders over here to the right hand side and write the remainders from downwards to upwards. Again for the fractional part here, that is 0.68 will be multiplied by 2 and go on multiplying by 2 and then write down this real parts, real integer part from this to the right hand side separately. So and write down this answer from upwards to downwards. Here the answer will be written from downwards to upwards. Here the answer will be written from upwards to downwards. So the final answer 42.68 to the base 10 is equal to 101010 point. This decimal point should be there because 42 का जो आंसर है वो हमने लिख दिया है. उसके बाद क्या आता है डेसिमल पॉइंट, वो हमने यहाँ पे दिया. और 68 का जो आंसर आता है वो हम लोग लिखेंगे ऊपर से नीचे, दैट इज फ्रॉम अपवर्ड्स टू डाउनवर्ड्स. सो माय आंसर बिकम्स 10101. So I'll write here 10101 to the base 2. So this is my final answer. ये जो फाइनल आंसर है इस तरीके से करके आपको यहाँ पे आना है. ओके अब इसको 2 ही मार्क्स है लेकिन आपको ये पूरा करना पड़ता है. ओके टू गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके नाउ decimal to octal. Decimal to octal, that means the base is 10 and the number system which is asked, base is 8. Okay, so base is 8, that means it is octal number system and the given number system is the decimal number system whose base is 10. I will take directly the complete number. Say suppose my number is 255 to 0.79 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 8. Now question mark to the base 8, that means it is octal number system. So and here the base given is 10, so that is decimal number is given and octal number is asked. So what is the first duty? To write down the real and fractional part differently. So I have here 255 and here as 0.79. Now since the base here is 8, what I'll do is this 255 will be divided by 8 because जो क्वेश्चन पूछा क्या है क्वेश्चन मार्क टू द बेस 8 मतलब ऑक्टल नंबर पूछा है और नंबर दिया है डेसिमल. सो हम जब भी डेसिमल से किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम में कन्वर्जन करते हैं तो हमें उस नंबर को डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय उस बेस को करना पड़ता है। जैसे कि 255 ये जो नंबर है उसको मुझे डिवाइड बाय 8 करना होगा और 0.79 जो नंबर है उसको मुझे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 करना होगा। वाई आई एम डिवाइडिंग एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 8? क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चन मार्क दिया हुआ है उसका बेस क्या है? 8। द नंबर सिस्टम विच इज आस्क्ड whose base is 8, that is nothing but the octal number system, and hence we need to divide and multiply by 8. Previously binary number system was asked, so its base was 2, and that's why we divided that number by 2 and multiplied that number by 2. Here we will divide by this number 255 by 2 and we'll write down the remainders over here, and we'll write that numbers from downwards to upwards for this real part. For the fractional part, we will multiply this number with 8 and we'll note down here these numbers and we'll write down the answer from upwards to downwards. So my final answer becomes 377, that is 377.622 to the base 8. You perform this complete and then you will come to know whether you are getting the same things. Okay, just don't copy, do it on your own so that you will get the answers. Okay, just I'll explain here. 255 divided by 8 किया तो 8 3 जा 24, 8 1 जा 8 and the remainder becomes 7. Again 8 3 जा 24, remainder 7, 8 0 जा 0, remainder 3, and my answer comes as 377. Here you will get the answer as 622. So here also मैं 3 बार कर सकती हूँ, 4 बार कर सकती हूँ, and many times, at least 3 to 4 times you do and you get the answer. But your answer must be in the decimal point. If the decimal point is over here, then इसका आंसर लिखने के बाद आपको decimal point देना है और इसका आंसर लिखना है. So this will become a complete answer and give the base as 8 because it is asked. Okay. So this is your final answer. Next is decimal to hexadecimal. So we have done with the decimal to binary, then decimal to octal. Now we will do decimal to hexadecimal. Now decimal base is 10, hexadecimal which is asked, the base is 16. So example, the same example I have taken here, 255.79, same decimal number. Now it is to be converted into hexadecimal number. So that is the base is 16. What's the real part? 255, here the fractional part 0.79. As you know now, you must have understood that the base which is asked is 16, that is a hexadecimal. So what? The numbers are to be divided and multiplied by 16. Yes, very good. 255 will be divided by 16. Go on, divide by 16 and write down the remainders over here. Now since the remainders are 15, 15, you know that it is hexadecimal number which is asked, and in the hexadecimal number system 15 is written as F. Again this 15 is written as F. So my answer becomes FF. Again I will write this answer from downwards to upwards, and for the fractional part 0.79 will be multiplied by 16. The answer comes as 12.64. We will note down this 12 in the side. Here also this again this decimal fractional part 0.64 will be again multiplied by 16. I will get answer as 10.24. This 0.24 again comes over here and multiply by 16. This will come as 3.84. Again this 12, 10, 3 are written separately, and you know that this is hexadecimal number system. So 12 is written as C, 10 is written as A, and 3 will be written as it is. So my answer becomes CA3 because I am writing this answer from upwards to downwards. So what will be my final answer? 255.79 to the base 10 becomes, or it comes as FF.CA3 to the base 16. So this is my complete answer. Remember always, whenever we convert decimal number to any type of number system, we should see the base, and to that particular decimal number we will divide by 2 or divide by 8 or divide by 16, and to the fractional numbers we will multiply by 2, multiply by 8 or multiply by 16, whichever is asked. Okay. Finally students, I am giving you one question for practice. For example, here 287.39 to the base 10. I'll repeat, 287.39 to the base 10 is equal to question mark to the base 2, question mark to the base 8, question mark to the base 16. That means 2, 8 and 16, binary, octal, hexadecimal. All are asked for only same question, that is 287.39. So just do it, practice it, and follow the instructions which are given to you, and practice makes man perfect. So here it needs so much practice. In the next session we will see the next types of conversions of number systems. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much.